Things are seen to be what they are and not as they appear. Why? Because the ego projects its motives upon the world, gain or loss. It sees it as good and bad, and it projects value and belief on, and therefore meaning, onto the world. Therefore, the sage says, there's no point in trying to change the world you see, because the world you see doesn't even exist. The world you see doesn't even exist. You know, it's all perception. And if you understand the essence of human existence, the purpose of human existence, and then you see that the world is perfect the way it is. Optimum opportunity for karmic merit, optimum opportunity for the undoing of negative merit. This is the optimum environment. And that's what the Buddha meant when he said, rare it is to be born a human. Yeah, rarer still to have heard of enlightenment. Rarest of all to have heard of it and then proceed to pursue it. So the purpose of these classes is to aid and facilitate the pursuit of the condition of enlightenment, or transcending the ego altogether. That is the overall purpose of the content of the lectures, yes? Now, perception, then, is a projection of motivations. It's selective, it's very personal, it's volitional, and it's attraction and aversion. Therefore, to constantly let go of your attractions and your aversions is one very important way to transcend the ego. So let go of your aversions and let go of being glamorized by your attractions. We're going to talk about memes later. Essence is witnessed, it's impersonal, it's a revelation, it's a knowingness, it's a recognition, and it often comes sort of intuitively. I tend to go back and retract reason a lot. A lot of times Susan just skips the whole thing and intuitively says what it is. Oh, okay. Saves herself 13 pages of typewritten stuff to read through. Okay, so let's move on to the next. She goes right to the essence.